For men, vertical bar helping men fight belly fat. Talk to your doctor. Speak to your doctor prior to starting any new diet or physical activity plan. They will be able to tell you if your plan is safe and appropriate for you. Typically, excess belly fat is associated with many chronic health conditions like diabetes or heart disease. This makes it even more important to inform your doctor of your plan and make sure it's safe for your specific health conditions. Eat fewer carbs. Studies have shown that carbohydrate-rich foods can cause an increase in belly fat and waist circumference. Reduce the amount of these foods in your diet to help you lose weight and decrease the amount of belly fat. Your diet should consist of mostly lean proteins, vegetables, fruits, and low-fat dairy. Limit your intake of empty carbohydrates like bread, rice, crackers, or pasta. These foods aren't necessarily unhealthy, especially if they're whole grain foods. However, they are not considered nutrient-dense foods. If you're going to eat a carbohydrate-rich food, choose 100% whole grains. These foods are higher in fiber and some nutrients and are considered a healthier choice. Make sure, too, you pay attention to portions. One portion of pasta or rice should be half a cup or 125 milliliters. Whole grain foods include brown rice, 100% whole wheat bread and pasta, barley or quinoa. Load up on protein. Protein-based foods can help men lose weight, reduce belly fat and maintain lean muscle mass. Consuming adequate amounts of protein will also help keep you feeling satisfied longer. To lose fat, protein should make up about 20 to 25% of your daily calories. For instance, if you're eating 1,600 calories a day, you need 80 to 100 grams of protein. If you're eating 1,200 calories a day, you need 60 to 75 grams of protein per day. Lean proteins include lentils, skinless chicken, turkey, eggs, low-fat dairy, seafood, pork, lean beef and tofu. These provide you with the energy you need and help keep you full without piling on unnecessary calories. Create a calorie deficit. Lower your total daily calories to help you lose weight. You can do this in several ways. Try cutting down on portion sizes, burning more calories through physical activity, and changing the composition of your diet to higher protein, lower fat, lower carbohydrates. Begin keeping track of the amount of calories you consume on a daily basis. Don't forget to include the calories in beverages, cooking oils, salad dressings, and sauces. Begin a food journal so that you can track your intake. Online food journals or smartphone apps are designed to help people find the calorie content of the foods they eat, keep track of their intake, and even connect with other dieters. The amount of calories you will need to eat in order to lose weight depends on your age,